everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to make a beautiful hair accessories. I name it Crystal Tree Flowers because it has a lot of crystal on the tree and it looks very beautiful and rich. And if you are new and you love my videos, please subscribe to my channel and thumbs up, and thank you. This hair accessory looks very complex, but I promise it is very easy to make. And let's get the material and let's begin to make it. Here is all the material I have. This is the thread. It is thicker than normal thread, so it is hard to break. Here is 3 pliers, and this is the 0.4 golden wires, and this is a needle. It is very long and thin. This needle is very good for the beading. Here is 3 different colors 2mm beads. I use the pearl white and the yellow and light yellow color. This is the blend hair stitch. And here is some materials. It has golden metal plates, flowers, butterflies, and some TP19 and pearls and beads. This is E6000 glue. And here is some rhinestone. I only will use red color rhinestone. And here is all my materials. First, I use E6000 glue to glue on the rhinestones on the tree. I glue it on one by one, and it is very easy, but it takes a little while. If you watch all my hair accessory tutorials, by now on you should know how I made these hair accessories. That is that easy. It is super easy. Please ignore the background noise. I don't speak for a long time because the background noise. I don't want people feel like when they watch the video they hear this noise. I think it is not good. But if I want to speak to you all, it has that sound, that bad noise. So please ignore it, okay? I don't know if anyone could still hear that background noise if I add some music. After I glue on all the rhinestones, I tie the flower and butterfly on the trees. The technique I use is the same like the other video other hair accessory that I made on the other videos. After I tie the things, I tie the flower on, I will twist the tail and cut the tail and hide the tail. That is very easy, very easy twist. How can I say it? Very easy twist that I use the most. Now I untie the trees on the blend hair stitch. It is just like you tie your shoelace on right and left, right and left. And for this one, it is use the wire to tie it on. But your shoelace is made of fabric. Is that a good metaphor? I don't know. I just think about the shoelace while I tie this thing. Sorry. What else can I use besides the shoelace? I think the shoelace is good metaphor, right? If you can think another good metaphor, please tell me, okay? I really want to know it. This middle plate is better quality. It is made of pure copper, so it costs more than the middle plate. I also made a long tassel for this hair stitch. It combines the 3 colors. The tassel can be taken off if you don't like it. agate. The two red teardrop beads is made of agate. I also have another video making a tassel if you don't understand this one. All the hairstyles that I made, I put it on sale in my Esty and eBay shop. If you like to buy it, you can go to my Esty shop and eBay shops. And if you have another good ideas that you think of, please tell me. I also sell some material in my Esty and eBay shops. If you want to design and make your own hairstyles, you can go to my Esty or eBay shop to buy some material and make it. If you don't understand something, you can leave me a comment or send me a message on the Facebook or Instagram or send me a Gmail. I will answer you as soon as fast when I see it. If you want to make friends with me, I'm happy to, and enjoy watch this video.